Hello everybody, my name is Gatis Kandis and today I will test what happens when you attach tape, reinforced toilet paper onto the paint roller and then you attach the other end to the remote control truck and then drive away really fast. I can already predict that it's gonna unroll the toilet paper really fast, but I am most interested what's gonna happen at the end when it reaches the full length of toilet paper because it is all taped, and so I am extremely curious to see what's gonna happen. And I have got two different toilet rolls. One is reinforced with this small tape and the other one is reinforced with this massive tape. So I'm gonna start with the one that's reinforced with the small one first, and I am guessing that it'll probably break somewhere in the middle. And then when we get to the second roll, I don't know what's gonna happen. So without further ado, let me get started. Okay, I'm ready to go. Like, all the tripods are set, and so there is toilet paper tied to the car properly. And then I'm gonna go all the way there, about 50 meters away. There's a little toilet paper on the ground, so I know which way to go. I'm gonna try to go in a straight line. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! It broke so awesome! Nice! Whoa! Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! So that was very exciting, the way it broke at the end. This one, however, I have reinforced with tape at the end much more than the other one. So hopefully we can have even more action, because I wasn't sure what's going to happen with that. It simply broke off at the end. But this one should be much more exciting, and also this tape is much stronger tape. So without further ado, let's continue. 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, it broke somewhere in the middle. Let me bring it back. Oh, that was my good phone. Three, 2, 1, and go. Oh. So this one is super reinforced, the car couldn't break it, so I'm gonna try to do it myself. There we go. Whoa. 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 That was amazing. And that's what happens when you attach toilet paper to your remote control car and drive away really fast. And thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Like that.